Just a quick update for those who are interested. I got both of the tires aired up. I put some goop that I bought at Tractor Supply. I don't know where I put it. I guess it really doesn't matter because I'm not promoting it. But it's this stuff right here. And I pumped enough in there to seal up both tires. Later today I'm going to vacuum it out, and I won't videotape that because it's boring. And then I'm gonna see about getting the wiring fixed and maybe do a couple other things to it. We'll just have to see. Well, it's a bright sunshiny day, and I'm going to try to let this wood dry out a little bit where it got rained on, and maybe tear into these lights. Probably I'll need to find me something to lay on. Get underneath there and see if I can figure out what's wrong with the lights. I think I solved the problem with the flat tires. I put that goop in, and it's been a few days and it seems to be holding on well. So we'll go to the next step, get the taillights working, and at least I can get it to the canvas shop and get an estimate for the canvas. So I crawled underneath there and found me all that wiring there, and now I have one of these somewhere, and this one has been, looks like probably the original to whatever trailer hitch was put on. And I got another one of those, so I'll try to hunt that down along with a pair of magnetic tow lights. So we're covering any trailer, so I'll pull that apart, and if we add trailer lights to it, that's what I'll do. So I found these, and I'm trying to soak up the water with these. They're panty liners, I guess. They absorb up to 6, so maybe it'll suck some of that water off of the wood, and I can see how much I actually need to replace, if I need to replace it all. Alright, I'm underneath here and I'm looking at these wires coming in, and there's a whole bunch of them that are all broken, and that right there looks like a factory wiring harness for a Chinook, probably for the camper manufacturer themselves. So I'm gonna have to do some research on the wiring a little bit. I don't want to trial and error and then start blowing fuses. So if anybody knows anything about a Chinook camper, send me the information. DM me on Facebook. I just got a new social media account. So I'm going to post this for now, and we'll see you when we see you.